Hi guys, another jigsaw. This one is absolutely definitely made for kids, so you won't be able to comment on this video. You can look at the video description, but you can't add any comments because that's YouTube's decision on videos made for kids. Bring it a bit closer. So it cost me 99p in a charity shop. A shaped floor puzzle, 54 by 40 centimeters or 21 inches by 16 inches approximately. It doesn't have straight edges, it's actually a curved puzzle, and it's only 25 pieces, and it's aged 3 to 6 years. Made by Orchard Toys. I don't think there's anything else. No, so we'll put that together. Okay, that looks like that goes over there somewhere. That's going to be underneath it. Nice big pieces. That's going to be over there somewhere. Bit of sky at the top there. Yeah. That looks like there. Yeah. And that one goes there. That one looks like it goes there. Okay. That looks like another tyre, but not there. It's going to have to be down there somewhere. What have we got here? It's going to be there. That's going to be there. That's going to be there. It's going to be over here somewhere. That's him. Okay, so that's our bottom corner, as close as we can call it. Same with that side. Okay, is that one? Yep. That's going to be up there. It's got to be. Why can't I work that out? Alright, we'll get to that in a minute. That makes a bit more sense. Ah. Is that... No, it's not that piece. Oh, well. It's that piece. Okay. Now we're getting there. Nope. There. There. Well, I've got to be honest, I'm making harder work of this than I expected. And there we are. What a lovely puzzle. Okay, that's it. Job done. However many minutes that was. 4 minutes 23 according to the clock on the camera. So what I'm going to do, if I can find me bits and pieces, oh yeah. I'm going to put one of my business cards in the box. and donate it back to another charity shop. Job done. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.